Hello, Janet Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet, and today I wanted to share with you a product I use and I love that will also help you organize an area of your life, and it is called the My Body Passport. As you can see it here, it's a great product because it allows you to organize all of your medical history, all of your test results, and anything that is related to you and your health. And the great thing about it is, as you can see, it's in this nice little pouch, which actually has a magnetic strip on it so you can post it on your refrigerator so that it's always conveniently accessible. And also, this is a great tool, especially should anybody else need to know your medical history. For example, I can be sometimes very allergic to iodine depending on the level. So people need to know that. And it's very comprehensive. It was designed by a medical doctor. And as you can see, I can show you just one of the pages. And this is my medical past history. So people will know when you had surgeries, because sometimes you don't even remember all of that. So I love this product. And I wish I had this product when I was taking care of my mother, because this would have made it a lot easier for me to keep all of her test results and her medical history easily accessible. So it is the My Body Passport. So if you want more details and to see if not only this could be something that you can use to organize your health life, but also a great gift, please click the link below and you'll be taken to my Amazon shop where you can get all the details and you can order it. So until next time, you have a clutter-free day.